In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Battlefield 6 controller sensitivity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can change the sensitivity for your controller when you go over to the settings in Battlefield 6. So this is a screenshot from the beta, but when the game officially releases, you will also be able to follow the same instructions. So first head over into the settings. You can press the right bumper and reach it over here on the menu. Inside of the settings, you will have two main ways of controlling the sensitivity. The first one is going to be under gameplay. Under gameplay, if you scroll down until you reach infantry, you will find it here, aim sensitivity. Now, some users have reported that this either doesn't change the sensitivity or that they would like to access more options related to controller. If you want to be absolutely sure that the sensitivity takes effect, go over to the controller tab instead, and in here, use the option Edit Settings. So go to the controller menu and press Y on your controller to edit settings. In here, once more, you will find Control Settings, and finally, you can change the infantry aim sensitivity. You can also change a bunch of other options related to your controller: field of view, zoom sensitivity, aim assist, and so on. When you change any of these, they will be applied right away, regardless of the controller type that you are trying to use. And this will work directly on your console, or if you are playing on a PC using a controller. You have other options here related to the buttons, driving, vehicles, and other categories, and you can change them for your controller as needed. But the main important one, sensitivity, the focus of this video, is going to be available under Control Settings. So change them and they will be applied. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.